Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about definition of derivative. So now I want to show you how to answer. The formula of this one, that is about first derivative of g of s equals to the limit h approach to number 0, and we have g of s plus h minus g of s over h. Here is about the definition of derivative by limit. And now we have the function in here. So I will put this one go in here. And this one go in here. But this one we have s plus h. So number 1 and number 1 we cancel. So we just have like this. Next, we have the formula a minus b multiplied by a plus b equals to a square minus b square. And now, number 2 and number 2, we can do about factorization. So we want to cancel the square root. So we need to create about a square minus b square. That means we need to multiply by a plus b on numerator and denominator. So now, this one, we have like this. And now, s minus s, we cancel. Next, h and h, we simplify. And now we put h approach to number 0 going here. So we have the final answer. So the final answer of the question should be like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.